Welcome. This is Dev Diary 1. I mean, the game is not even a game yet, but I just want to do this to kind of motivate myself and see where it goes. I've set up one of the basic systems of the game, which is how NPCs look for stuff and how they move around. All I want for these guys is to have an objective and go towards it. And if they find something in the middle, they have to handle that situation themselves. So what these guys do right now, they're looking for this brown guy in the middle. All they know is that they have to look for it inside this square, this rectangular floor. They are generating different spots where to look for stuff. It's generated on the fly. When they run into something, they try to adapt and dodge that something. You can see it every time they bump into the walls or each other, which is less common, but it works the same way. And the idea is that they keep traveling around the zone until they find whatever they have to find. So even if you hide in a very good spot, even if something is in a spot that no one's going by, they will eventually reach it, like this guy. My idea is to make it to, for example, now if I want to make a guy that has to go fishing or something like that, as long as he knows where he has to go, he can do it. And it doesn't matter if there's tons of shade in the middle. If he runs into something, he should be able to handle it. In here you can actually see what's truly happening, because you've always seen the cones in the video games, how NPCs see stuff. But like this, I can, by doing like a tube, what's happening here is they are always trying to find the one thing they can see close to them. So instead of capturing multiple things, this vision shrinks on the closest thing, and if it's what it's looking for, it goes towards it. If it's not, it tries to dodge it. It's really simple. You don't need to calculate distances. Since it's a line and not a cone, you don't have to worry about multiple objects and calculating the distances and the angle, all that stuff. It's all, you don't have to worry about that. I've also made it so the vision and the NPC are two different objects and they can be interchangeable. So if I generate another kind of vision, I could just change it. It's not part of the NPC, it's a complement. It's modular. I want to make it modular for me, so it's easier to make, because I'm just one man. If I make everything super scripted, if I make it like a movie, I'm never gonna get anywhere. So I'm gonna try to make a lot of systems that interact with each other and generate the game in a way. So the experiment is a success. That's what I wanted to make. Because the game is going to be very open. It's not going to be in buildings. It's going to be outside. So this kind of situations where they can barely get inside the place of the thing they're looking for shouldn't happen very often. Like this is a stress test to stress the AI, and it works. So there shouldn't be a problem. I don't know, that's all. It's taken me a month just to get this right. If you want to see the game progress, make sure to subscribe and smash that like button. See ya.